Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to show you guys how to make a copycat Taco Bell hot tacos. Okay, this is the box right here. This is what we're making right here. It's my first time trying it out and I just want to go ahead and make it for you guys, okay? And here's the seasoning packs right here. Got the 80-20 ground chuck. Got some tomatoes. Got some green leaf lettuce. Some hot taco sauce from Taco Bell. Some sour cream. And some cheese right here that I'm going to shred up myself. If guys, if you guys ain't never had shredded cheese, you need to start making it. Okay? Trust me. It tastes a whole lot different than buying it already shredded. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. See you guys in a minute. I like to put salt and pepper in mine, just a little bit more of the seasoning. And we're just going to cook this till it's brown. If it's got any grease, we're going to strain that as well. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Shred me up some cheese. That's the cheese right there. We're going to transfer this into something else and start doing this lettuce and tomatoes. See you guys in a minute. Lettuce, make sure you wash yours off. I just like to roll mine just like so. Take this. About it. You come with a rough chop right this way. And there is lettuce. Got lettuce. See? Simple as 1, 2, 3. Put this in the bowl. Clean this up so I can start working on my tomatoes. See you guys in a minute. Tomato. You can cut this part off, like so. So I do mine. I normally cut mine in wedges, like so, like this. This is how I normally put mine on my tacos, just like that, because you get a bite every rip, and you ain't got to worry about tomatoes falling off. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna do mine. I ain't gonna change it up. I've been doing this like this for many years, and always been successful. Do it like that. All right, fam. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting these up and see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, that's everything right there prepped up. Thing we're waiting on, these taco shells. Okay, we gotta put these in the oven, alright, for about good 10 minutes. I normally cook mine like on 220 or 250 or something like that for about 10 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, let's go ahead and put this stuff together. Get some of my meat. So I start out with mine. And you're going to get some fall down on all that stuff. So don't worry about that. It is what it is. That's why we put it on this tray. This taco tray. Okie dokie. So this is what we're going to do. Remember them tomato wedges? We're going to come in there and put them bad boys in there like so. Just like that. This is how I've been doing it for years. Try it. Guarantee you, you'll be doing it like that for years as well. Like so. Alright, now we're going to come in here with some of this sour cream. So you may want to use a fork or not a fork but a spoon, or maybe a knife or something to scrape it off, or buy the squirt one. Then I'm coming here with some lettuce. Like that, fam. See, by me putting that sour cream on there, it's going to allow the lettuce to stick on there instead of just falling off. Okay, that looks about right. Put a little bit more over here. Then you take you some cheese, as much as you want. Copycat Taco Bell hot tacos. We're gonna see if it's the bomb diggity too. Alright. And that's just pretty much how that looks. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and show you guys the rest of the presentation. And see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this Taco Bell hot tacos from Miss Copycat Hot Tacos. Okay? Alright, that's how that looks up close. And please check out them wedges, man. Do the wedges. I guarantee you'll love them when you do the wedges. Ain't too much falling off of these, I guarantee you that. Okay? So guys, if you like this video, hold on. I forgot to show you one of these bad boys right here. Go ahead and let you guys get that bite. I did put some sauce on mine. I don't know how hot that is. So, alright guys, there's your bite right there. Gotta get that first bite. I'll bite it for you. Super good. It is super good. I'm not going to lie to you. Now I gotta try this recipe. It is good. Guys, I'm not gonna hold you up too long. I just wanted you guys to see that. That's why I don't do taste tests at the end. Because I can't talk. Alright? So, I'd like to say this. If you like this video of Copycat Taco Bell Hot Tacos, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen.